This is driving in the Dodge 78 Dodge D100 step side I have for sale on eBay. It's a little bit cold, but we'll take it for a drive down the street. I think I get up to about 50, 55, 60 maybe on this stretch of road. See, I don't know if you can see the gauges all work. Oil pressure is good, temperature gauge, gas gauge, speedometer works. It's got a radio, AM FM radio that works. 3-speed automatic transmission, shifts good. Shifts good. It's smooth, quiet. Well, quiet for a pickup truck. Got up to about 50 miles an hour, 55 miles an hour there. Bump's good. The suspension is tight. There's no loose or rattling suspension stuff. Everything's really tight. Ride's good. Very smooth. Great little engine. The slant 6 on this. It was just rebuilt earlier this year. It's got a couple thousand miles on it maybe. Nice shifting transmission. The engine and transmission really work well together. Oh, the one thing that is missing on the truck, and I can show you when I get parked here, is on the gear selector on the steering column, the gear selector call out, you know, the drive, park, neutral, drive thing, the little plastic the little plastic thing that goes right here on the dash, right here on the steering column, that little thing that says park, reverse, drive, etc. That's missing, and I don't have it. It's something you can probably get on eBay, but it's a tilt column, so that works. Turn signals work, lights all work. So I'm going to post this up on eBay for a couple of people that have requested a video to see it run and drive. Anyway, I got to get this up on eBay. Good luck bidding. Thank you.